Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're looking to purchase in reserve. So the owner of this property, he actually attends one of the real estate meetups that I run, and he was just looking to sell. So he's actually a contractor himself, and he does invest. So he's a capable guy, but this house had just been a bit of a headache for him. He had a tenant in place that was a rental. He had to evict the tenant for non-payment. They messed up the house a bit, and while he can fix it up, he has the ability. He's just busy. He's got other things on, other projects, so he just wanted to sell it all cash as is. So he reached out to us, and we're able to come to terms on it. So we're looking to purchase it. It's actually my first time I'm walking through it, but it's pretty typical sort of rental out here. It's pretty dated. Definitely some deferred maintenance in the property. Down here you'll see where the tenants, they really weren't happy, so they kicked in the drywall on him. They smashed this front window here. They kicked it here. So that happens. We have tenants. We've had some horror stories ourselves. It's part of the course. We're used to it. We have property management that helps us, and we have reserves available when these things come up. But it's pretty typical. And for this particular owner, he just doesn't want to deal with it. And he's ready. He doesn't want to have to fix it up to sell it. Because it has to take him time, effort, and energy. And like I said, he's capable of doing it. But his time is better spent elsewhere. So he prefers to sell it to us all cash. We're able to come up with an offer that works for him and still makes it, worth it for us to come in and fix it up. So look, if you're looking to sell a house, something like this where you just don't want to fix it up, maybe it's dated, maybe it has some issues with it. We buy houses in any condition. We love to come in and add value. That's what we do. If your house is beautiful and fully renovated, look, we're not your buyer. You're best to sell that to a homeowner because it's ready for them. But if your house isn't ready for that homeowner and it's not ready to sell and you don't want to make it ready, then we love those sorts of projects because we can use our skill, our expertise, and our resources to add value. So we pay you a fair price for the as-is value. We'll pay you the value, but it's just an as-is value because it's damaged. And we are able to fix those things, at probably a much better rate than you because it's what we do. So that's how we can earn our value in the deal, make you happy, and we need to make sure that everyone's happy at the closing table. That's actually one of our company mottos. When we're closing and buying your property, and you need to be smiling. If you're not smiling, if you're unhappy with the deal, then we don't want to do it. And likewise too, we need to be happy too. The deal needs to work for all of us. So look, if you're looking to sell, give us a call. We're happy to chat through, and if the deal won't work for us, we'll tell you, but we'll also give you advice. We want to see you happy, so we'll give you our thoughts on what you can do. We don't buy every single house. If you call us, we probably have 10, 15 phone calls before we buy a house, because we'll just give you advice, talk you through your options. People are just looking and thinking, but if it works, then we'll buy it and we'll make it easy. And I guarantee when we buy your house, it'll be the easiest, simplest transaction you do. So reach out to us, go to our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We'd love to chat about your property. Thanks so much.